Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about ngClass Angular directive. In this, let's quick recap of Angular directives. What are the directives available? Okay, Angular directives. Angular providing many predefined directives. Those are component directives, structural directives, attribute directives. Okay, component directives we already discussed Angular components concept. Okay, structural directive. When coming to structural directives, we have ngIf, ngFor, ngSwitch. Those are already completed in our previous videos. If you want, I'll provide those links in description box. Please check out once. And when coming to attribute directives, we have ngModel, ngStyle, ngClass, etc. We have so many attribute directives. In those, we already discussed about ngModel in two-way data binding. ngStyle, our last video is about ngStyle. Now we are going to discuss about ngClass Angular directive with example. Okay, what is the use of ngClass directive in Angular 16 is it is going to add or remove CSS classes dynamically based on the condition. We can able to add the CSS class and we can able to remove the CSS class in whenever we are seeing in UI, I mean in browser or in HTML page, we can observe whenever we put mouse over on some content, it will clear over. I mean it is highlighted in some other color. When we remove that mouse point, it is looking like normal. Like that, we can add the CSS classes for that HTML content. Okay. Example, some conditions are conditional styling. We can apply using ng class directive. Focus effects we can add using a ng class and directive. Active or disable states we can add. Loading states. I mean, whenever we are loading the data, it is showing something like that. Loading image is showing, right? Like this, we can add states also by using ngClass directive. We'll see some examples now so that you can understand more about this ngClass directive. Okay. To use the ngClass directive, we need to add ngClass attribute like this. Like this, we need to add for that HTML attributes for applying styles for that HTML content. Okay. Now I'll create one small example so that you can understand. Okay. ng new ng class project I'm creating. See, we don't need modules, right? So I'm closing. Then this ng class project I'm opening in Visual Studio Code. Open folder where it is available. We'll see. Here is ng class project. Yeah, Control P is shortcut to search files. Just I'm removing this and just adding S. Control Shift C to open that command prompt. I'm running that server by using ngs command. Okay. It is taking little bit time. Yeah, it's done. I'm opening this in browser. Yeah, hi, it is displaying. Now I'm opening CSS file. Oh, here we need to discuss about some selectors. In class selectors we have, ID selectors we have, attribute selectors we have to add that CSS styles, right? Now I'm adding class selector. Okay. Font size font size 30 pixel I'm taking, and color I'm taking. Okay, I think this is enough for our example. Okay, if you want, you can add more styles whenever you are practicing. Font size, font family, font weight, you can add more like this. 20 pixels. Color green I'm taking. Okay, fine. I'm taking div tag. This welcome to Thiru Academy, right? Yeah, welcome to Thiru Academy. See here, I'm taking ngClass. Property binding, we need to take like this. ABC I'm taking. See, ABC is class name, right? So we need to provide this in single quotes. See, it is showing in red color, right? We'll go with property. Temp I'm taking. Temp variable we need to provide in TypeScript file. Okay, temp colon string data types we already discussed. Okay, ABC I'm giving. Sorry, ABC, that is class name which we have given here. Okay, see how it is displaying. See, it is showing in red color only, right? Yes, here I am applying some condition. Okay, mouse over temp equal to, I am taking ABC class only here. Okay, on mouse out I am taking XYZ. Temp equal to, in single quotes, I am providing XYZ. Based on that condition we are providing, right? Based on that condition we'll see how it is displaying. See, it is showing in red color. When mouse over needs to be displayed in green. See, you are seeing, right? Yeah, based on the conditions we can apply styles dynamically. So for that purpose we need to use ngClass directive in Angular. See, one more example. I have copied this from Google. Okay, is active. We need to create variable colon boolean equal to true I am taking. Okay, if it is true we need to display this. How it is displaying, we'll see. This element will have the active, whatever the content, this element will have the active class if it is active. Okay, it is displaying, right? In green color it is displaying. How? By default we have taken XYZ class for this content to display. Okay, in XYZ class we have provided green color. Okay, I will take blue. We'll see. Yes, observe now. See, it is displaying in blue color, right? Yeah, like this we can apply ngClass directive in Angular 16. Okay, if you want more videos about Angular, please let me know in comment box. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for